Hey there, Buy Smart fam! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we make your purchasing decisions easier, one comparison at a time. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums with two titans from Roborock, the Q7 Max and the Q Revo. It's a battle of suction, mopping, and all the robot-Y goodness you can imagine. Let's see which one will clean up the competition and which one will just suck. First up, let's talk about pricing. The Roborock Q7 Max comes in at a cool $599. It's a solid investment for a vacuum that promises to be your new best friend. On the other hand, the Roborock Q Revo is priced at a hefty $899. That's a $300 difference. For that price, it better mop my floors, take out the trash, and make me breakfast in bed. Next, let's dive into suction power. The Q7 Max boasts a strong 4,200 pascal suction. According to reviewers, it's like having a mini black hole on your floor, gobbling up everything in its path, from dust and pet hair to your kids' Lego pieces. However, the Q Revo takes it up a notch with a mind-blowing 5,500 PA suction. Reviewers have noted that this vacuum could probably suck the hair off your cat without them even noticing. Just kidding, don't try that at home. Now onto mopping capability. Both of these bad boys can vacuum and mop simultaneously. The Q7 Max comes with an electronic pump and 30 water flow levels. Reviewers appreciate that it can handle both delicate hardwood and tiles that look like a crime scene. On the flip side, the Q Revo features dual spinning mops that rotate at 200 RPM. It's like having two tiny janitors scrubbing your floors. Plus, it has auto mop lifting technology, so it can switch from vacuuming to mopping faster than you can say, clean. Both vacuums come with PreciSense LiDAR Navigation and 3D mapping technology. The Q7 Max lets you build precise maps of your home, virtually recreating it with furnishings and floor materials. Reviewers love how it's like playing The Sims, but your character is a vacuum. The Q Revo also offers 3D mapping and adds reactive tech obstacle avoidance. This means it can detect and avoid potential hazards like a pro. According to users, it's basically a ninja with a broom, dodging obstacles like a pro. Let's talk convenience features. The Q7 Max has a combined dustbin and water tank, so you won't be emptying or refilling it every 5 minutes. It also has a multi-directional floating all-rubber brush that resists hair tangles, which pet owners find incredibly useful. Meanwhile, the Q Revo has a multifunctional dock that does everything but tuck you in at night. Auto mop washing, hot air drying, self-emptying. This dock is so convenient, it practically raises your kids for you. Hands-free cleaning for up to 7 weeks? Sign me up. Both the Roborock Q7 Max and Q Revo have garnered positive reviews from users. The Q7 Max is praised for its strong suction, efficient mapping, and overall performance, though some users note minor drawbacks like a small dustbin and water reservoir. The Q Revo, on the other hand, is lauded for its powerful suction, advanced mopping capabilities, and intelligent navigation, with some initial firmware issues that have been resolved through updates. So there you have it, folks, the Roborock Q7 Max and the Roborock Q Revo. Both are amazing in their own right, but it all boils down to what you value more. Do you want the Q7 Max's affordability and solid performance, or are you ready to splurge on the Q Revo's extra features and power? Drop a comment below and let us know which one you'd pick. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, keep it clean and buy smart. And remember, If your vacuum isn't doing the robot, is it even worth it? Product links are in the description.